Hello Bladers. The power steering system is critical in the performance of your car. It can have serious effects if it isn't taken care of properly. Not only will it wreck your car, but it can also cause a lot of avoidable accidents. As such, it is important that you take necessary precautions that will keep it in good shape. Try following these reminders to make sure you won't encounter any problems with it in the future. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. 3 things that will help keep your power steering in tip-top shape. Number 1, replace all those that need to be replaced. You might think that having to replace the filter or a damaged pump can cost a lot. However, it's going to cost you even more if you just neglect it. It can ruin your car and it can lead to a lot of safety problems. Number 2, check the hoses. Hoses that keep your power steering fluid working are only made of rubber. As such, you'll need to check them regularly to see if they need to be replaced to new ones. Number 3, make sure that the steering fluid is clean. Keep your eyes open for leaks that might cause the loss of power steering fluid. Aside from this, make sure that you also check the condition and level of the fluid. If it's dirty, then better replace it to ensure that it won't affect the other parts of your car. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.